Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, I am super excited to show you this next product. These are actually the swimming trunks for men from Biwisy. I have to say that my husband totally loves this swimming trunk. They have this string to adjust to his waist, and they also have this comfortable mesh lining inside. So that is really cool. I chose the black with the pink dolphin, and you can see the material. It's actually pretty cool. This is a 100% polyester, but they are really breezy. They feel pretty comfortable. They actually have side pockets for him to put certain things in there, probably his glasses, and they also have a back pocket. So that is really nice. So if you are getting ready for the summer, right, and you want your hubby to look nice, I will definitely recommend these swimming trunks from Biwisy. But hey, that is just my point of view.